I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: rod type, reel drag, and line condition. Thread the line, attach your lure, and set the reel brake to a moderate tension so the spool moves smoothly. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart and your dominant foot slightly back for balance. Grip the rod with your thumb on the spool and the index finger along the blank. Once done, bring the rod tip to waist height, point at your target, and prepare a controlled rearward motion. Don't rush the movement. You perform a smooth rearward motion until the rod feels loaded, roughly just past 10 o'clock, to store energy. Next, drive forward explosively but controlled toward 2 o'clock, and simultaneously lift your thumb off the spool to release the line. Timing here determines distance and accuracy. Once the lure flies, follow through with the rod over your shoulder to stabilize trajectory, then engage the reel with short turns if needed. Make sure to watch the line. You finish by preparing to set the hook. When you feel weight, reel down any slack and sweep the rod with a firm, short motion to drive the hook. If you encounter backlash, stop, open the reel, remove tangles, and reduce spool tension or break next cast. This prevents repeat snarls. For consistently short casts, increase lure weight slightly or check your release timing. Make sure to inspect the knot and spool tension before casting again. Addressing those small details fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.